Hey, what's up, everybody? Enjoying this sunny day down at Bill Cole Honda Nissan. I got my buddy Aaron here. Aaron, how you doing, pal?
Doing well, sir.
All right, man, check this ride out right here. Honda Accord. These things been around forever, and when he got in this to move it up a little bit, I thought, I didn't even hear it start up. This is a hybrid, isn't it?
It is a hybrid.
Pretty quiet right here. Tell us a little bit about this bad boy.
Well, being a hybrid, you're going to get outstanding gas mileage. Probably double than your typical car.
Good Lord. So if a man was getting 20, get 40 in this bad boy, couldn't he?
Yes, sir.
And check out these tinted windows. You don't want nobody to know you're around? Come on down here and buy this one. They won't even know you're in there driving it. So is this an upgraded model right here?
Sure is. This
Sport
is a 20
package.
Yes, sir. It's a sport hybrid, and it's got the new body style for the 23.
I tell you, it's sharp. Do we know what the name of that color is? Is that old gray? Is that? I think that's what they call it.
Yes,
something like that.
Stone Pearl Gray.
Well, it's sharp, I can guarantee you. So if you want to come down here and take off in this Honda Accord, come on down here to hybrid. If you're worried about gas mileage, right here's your vehicle. Talk to Aaron, he'll hook you right up, buddy. Thank you so much. Y'all head on down Bill Cole Honda Nissan. Have a great summer day. See you.